Welcome to my channel. Today's episode, we're going to be changing the trimmer line on a Stihl FS56 RC. So I'll show you how it's done. First thing you want to do is flip your machine upside down. On the cutting head, you'll notice two thumb-sized holes on opposite sides. Start by depressing one and lifting up. Spin it around, depress and lift up. That will separate your cat. Inside you'll have your string spool. So to release that, push in and give it a little twist. It comes right out. This is a great opportunity while you have everything apart to just give it a quick clean, make sure there's no debris inside. That wasn't that bad. Alright, for the fun part. Now, stringing your spool. So what you'll notice once you have your spool off is inside the spool there are grooves. Hard to see maybe, but on opposite sides. What they're for is to actually feed your trimmer string into. So starting it, pushing it in as far as you can. Then once you have that, now I'm going to start on the top and I'll show you why. Once you have that, we'll hold it tightly and we'll start spooling. Try to keep it nice and tight and make it even as you go around, and try to count the revolutions so you can make it the same on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So what you'll also notice is there are little grooves on the top. So once you're done spooling it, just simply feed your line into that groove and it locks it in place. And grab a pair of cutters. Anything will do. Well, something that can cut trimmer line. And let's move on to the next side. Okay. So same as the top. So I can get this undone. Now I started with the top because if you do the bottom and you put the string into the groove, it will prevent you from stringing the other side on. So it's easier to start with the top. That way you're not getting in the way of other things. So just like before, we'll find our groove inside. We'll feed our line in as deep as we can. Now according to the manual, I'm pretty sure it says to go the opposite way. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we'll find the groove opposite the one we used for the top, and we'll feed it in, and we'll make a nice little cut. Now, so while you're doing this, it'd be nice to hold the lines in the groove so it doesn't spring out on you. That's always fun. Now to reload, carefully place your spool back in place. And press down until it locks. Once you have it locked in place, just feed your line through the trimmer holes on the side. So have to be careful because when you lock it in place, it can spring out. So just take your time, feel it out. Once you got that all in place, grab your cap, feed it back in the same way, and once you got that clipped, just pull it tight. And that, my friends, is how you change the trimmer line on a Stihl weed eater. Hopefully this helps somebody, because I know when I first got it, it was a bit of a pain in the rear end for me. But yeah, if you guys like this channel or like this episode, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time. Peace.